Hey y'all, and welcome back to the garden. There's nothing quite like the feeling of getting your hands in the soil and watching something beautiful bloom. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite things, flowers. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Joanna, I love flowers, but I don't have a green thumb. Well, trust me, you don't have to be an expert to grow a gorgeous garden. We're diving into 5 easy flowers that will add a splash of color to your garden, even if you're a beginner. These blooms are low maintenance and absolutely stunning. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get planting. First up, let's talk about marigolds. These vibrant flowers are a staple in many gardens, known for their bright and cheerful appearance. These beauties are like little bursts of sunshine, perfect for brightening up any corner of your garden. Their radiant colors can instantly uplift the mood of any space. They come in gorgeous shades of yellow, orange, and red, with a rustic charm that adds a touch of warmth and nostalgia to your garden. Each shade brings its own unique beauty, making them versatile for various garden designs. Marigolds are tough cookies, handling plenty of sun and not too picky about soil. They thrive in direct sunlight and can withstand the heat, making them ideal for sunny spots in your garden. Just give them well-drained soil and sunshine, and they'll reward you with cheerful blooms all season long. Their resilience makes them a favorite among gardeners who want low-maintenance yet stunning plants. Marigolds are known for their pest-repellent properties, helping keep bugs away from your other plants. Their natural ability to deter pests makes them a valuable addition to any garden. I like to plant them around the edges of my vegetable garden as natural pest control. This not only protects my vegetables, but also adds a splash of color to the garden. They look stunning in flower beds and do wonderfully in pots and containers. Whether you have a large garden or a small balcony, marigolds can fit perfectly into your space. You can start them from seed indoors before the last frost, or find starter plants at your local nursery. Starting from seeds can be a rewarding experience, watching them grow from tiny sprouts to full blooms. Space them about 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. Proper spacing ensures they have enough room to grow and flourish without competing for resources. Marigolds will bloom from late spring through fall, providing pops of color for months. Their long blooming season means you can enjoy their beauty for an extended period. Some folks think marigolds have a strong scent, but I love it, earthy and a bit spicy. Their distinctive fragrance can add an extra sensory dimension to your garden. If you're not a fan of the scent, newer varieties have a milder fragrance. These hybrids offer the same visual appeal with a more subtle aroma. Overall, marigolds are fantastic for beginner gardeners. Their ease of growth and minimal care requirements make them an excellent choice for those new to gardening. They're easy to grow, low maintenance, and bring so much color and life to the garden. Even if you have a busy schedule, marigolds can thrive with minimal attention. Plus, they're just plain happy flowers. And who doesn't need a little more happiness in their lives? Their bright blooms can bring joy and positivity to any garden space, making them a delightful addition to your home. Next up, let's talk about a flower that's near and dear to my heart, lavender. This beautiful plant is not only visually stunning, but also has a myriad of uses that make it a must-have in any garden. Lavender just screams cozy cottage garden to me. Its soft purple hues and delicate flowers create a picturesque scene that feels like it's straight out of a storybook. It's not just about the looks. Lavender has an incredible fragrance that's both calming and invigorating. The scent is known to reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect addition to any relaxation routine. Imagine strolling through your garden, and a gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of lavender to you. It's like a natural aromatherapy session right in your backyard. Lavender is surprisingly easy to grow, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. It's a hardy plant that doesn't require much maintenance, making it perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. One of my favorites is English lavender, known for its classic scent and beautiful purple blooms. This variety is particularly popular for its strong fragrance and vibrant color. Lavender is fantastic for drying. Once harvested, you can enjoy its benefits long after the growing season has ended. You can create beautiful lavender bundles to hang in your home, or use the dried flowers in potpourri or sachets. These dried flowers retain their fragrance for months, providing a long-lasting scent. Lavender is a natural moth repellent. Its strong scent deters moths and other insects, protecting your clothes and linens. Tuck sachets of dried lavender into your sweaters and blankets to keep moths away. Not only will your clothes be protected, but they'll also smell wonderful. Lavender is prized for its calming and relaxing properties in aromatherapy. The essential oil extracted from lavender flowers is used in various wellness products. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser for a peaceful ambiance. The soothing scent can help improve sleep quality and create a serene environment. For a relaxing treat, add a few tablespoons of dried lavender to a warm bath. The combination of warm water and lavender's calming properties can help relieve muscle tension and stress. Lavender is a wonderful addition to any garden, bringing beauty, fragrance, and versatility. Its vibrant blooms attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. It's a plant that keeps on giving, sure to bring you joy for years to come. Whether you're using it for its fragrance, its beauty, or its practical benefits, lavender is a true garden gem. Now, if you're looking for a flower that's going to make a statement in your garden, look no further than zinnias. These beauties come in a rainbow of colors, from fiery reds and oranges to sunny yellows and pinks, and even cool purples and greens. They're like little bursts of confetti scattered throughout your garden. Zinnias are incredibly easy to grow, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. They're surprisingly drought-tolerant once established. Zinnias have a long blooming season from early summer until the first frost. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from single rows of petals to double rows and even dahlia-like petals. Zinnias are a favorite among pollinators, especially butterflies. Planting zinnias in your garden is like rolling out the welcome mat for these beautiful creatures. If you're looking for a flower that's easy to grow, bursting with color, and a magnet for pollinators, zinnias are the perfect choice. They're a true testament to the fact that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are also the easiest to care for. Is there anything more cheerful than a sunflower? These golden giants seem to capture the very essence of happiness and sunlight. These iconic blooms just radiate joy and warmth. Their bright yellow petals and towering stems are like nature's own sunbeams, bringing light and cheer wherever they grow. Growing up in Texas, I have fond memories of sunflower fields stretching as far as the eye could see. The sight of these endless golden fields under the vast blue sky is something that stays with you forever. Sunflowers are incredibly easy to grow, even for beginners. All you need is a little bit of soil, some seeds, and a lot of sunshine. They are one of the most forgiving plants, making them perfect for novice gardeners. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, and they're surprisingly drought-tolerant once established. This resilience makes them an excellent choice for gardens in various climates. Just give them plenty of space to grow, and they'll reward you with stunning blooms all summer long. Watching them grow from tiny seeds to towering giants is a truly rewarding experience. Sunflowers come in a surprising variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the classic tall yellow varieties to the more unusual red and orange hues, there's a sunflower for every garden. You can find dwarf varieties perfect for containers. These smaller sunflowers are ideal for patios, balconies, or any small space where you want to add a splash of color. And branching varieties that produce multiple blooms per stem. These types are perfect for creating a fuller, more abundant look in your garden. Sunflowers aren't limited to just yellow. They come in shades of orange, red, bronze, and pale yellow. This diversity allows you to create a vibrant and varied garden palette. Sunflowers are a favorite among birds, especially when the flower heads start to produce seeds. Watching birds flock to your garden to feast on sunflower seeds is a delightful sight. Planting sunflowers in your garden is like setting up a little bird feeder that's both beautiful and beneficial. It's a wonderful way to attract wildlife and enjoy the beauty of nature right in your backyard. If you're looking for a flower that's easy to grow, visually stunning, and beneficial to wildlife, sunflowers are the perfect choice. They bring a touch of the wild into your garden, creating a lively and dynamic environment. They're a true symbol of summer joy, bringing a touch of sunshine to your garden and your heart. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, sunflowers are a wonderful addition to any garden. Finally, let's talk about pansies, those charming little flowers that bring a touch of whimsy and color to the garden, even when the weather turns cool. Pansies are surprisingly tough cookies, handling cooler temperatures and even a light frost. They come in practically every color of the rainbow, with beautiful markings and patterns that resemble tiny little faces. Pansies are incredibly versatile, looking stunning in flower beds, borders, containers, window boxes, and hanging baskets. They prefer cooler temperatures and partial shade, especially during the hotter months. Pansies appreciate well-drained soil rich in organic matter. One of the things that makes pansies special is their ability to bloom in both spring and fall. Plant them in the fall for a pop of color that lasts until the first frost, and they'll often re-emerge in the spring. Deadheads spent blooms regularly to encourage more flowers and prevent seed production. If you're looking for a flower that's charming, versatile, and surprisingly hardy, pansies are the perfect choice. They're a reminder that even in cooler temperatures, there's still beauty to be found in the garden. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 easy flowers that will add a touch of color and joy to your garden, no matter your skill level or experience. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting, having fun, and enjoying the process of nurturing life. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and try something new and exciting. You might just surprise yourself with what you can grow and achieve. Thanks for joining me on this floral adventure, and happy gardening to all. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration.